In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Klaviyo SMS marketing. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log into your Klaviyo account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and create a new account. It's really straightforward. Once you're in, the first step is to ensure that your SMS feature is enabled. You can do this by navigating to the account settings located in the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you're in your account settings, look for the SMS tab. Here, you'll be prompted to activate your SMS marketing. Go ahead and click on Enable SMS. Klaviyo may ask you to confirm your phone number during this process, so make sure to have your phone handy for verification purposes. This step is necessary because it gives you a sense of ownership and legitimacy for your SMS campaigns. Now that we've enabled SMS, the next step is to set up text messaging itself. You'll want to create an SMS marketing list. Go to the Lists and Segments tab on the left sidebar and click on Create List. You can name this list something relevant, like SMS subscribers. After you've named the list, you'll want to set parameters for how people can join. This is where you might consider adding a sign-up form on your website or letting your existing email subscribers know they can also opt in through SMS. The next crucial step is to set up your SMS sending number. Klaviyo allows you to either use a dedicated number or a shared shortcode. If you're a small to medium business, a dedicated number is often a great choice. Click on the SMS tab again and then select Phone Numbers. Follow the prompts to acquire your number. Once you've completed this process, verify that it's active. Now let's create your first SMS campaign. Navigate to the Campaigns section and click on Create Campaign. You'll then see an option for SMS. Click on that and let's get started with crafting a message. Here's where you can include anything from promotional offers to new arrivals. Remember, SMS messages are limited to 160 characters for each text, so keep it concise yet engaging. Be sure to spice up your messages with clear calls to action. For instance, text JOIN to your number to receive 10% off your first purchase. Using urgency or exclusivity can greatly enhance the effectiveness of your SMS marketing strategy. After crafting your message, you can choose the audience you want to send it to. Select from any of your lists, including the one you just created for SMS subscribers. It's time for testing. Schedule your message or send a test message to yourself to ensure everything looks perfect. This testing phase is vital for understanding formatting and ensuring your links work properly. Once you've double-checked everything, go ahead and click Schedule or Send. Watch in anticipation as your first SMS campaign is delivered to your subscribers. Lastly, don't forget to monitor your SMS campaign results. Klaviyo provides detailed analytics on engagement and delivery rates, so take advantage of those insights to refine your future campaigns. And there you have it. You're all set up to launch your SMS marketing through Klaviyo. Remember, building a successful SMS marketing strategy takes time and testing, but with these fundamentals, you're well on your way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on marketing.